Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to change language on your Coin98 wallet. First of all, go ahead and open up your Coin98 wallet extension or your application and then make sure to log into your wallet. After you're inside the main wallet page, click on the hamburger menu at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up the settings interface where you need to click on the Change Language button. Select a different language of your choice from the menu and that will be able to change your language setting on your Coin98 account. That is how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.